All right, let's talk about Cargo. It's the tool that turns Rust project chaos into, well, coherence.
So, why do projects spin out of control? It really boils down to managing complexity as you grow.
You end up with dependency nightmares, random scripts, and builds that are just fragile.
Look, the real problem isn't just compiling a file, it's managing the whole thing as it scales up.
So what's the answer in the Rust world? It's a tool called Cargo, and it brings order. It's basically 4 tools in one, making your project predictable right from the get-go.
But here's the key. To really get Cargo, you have to think beyond the commands. It's all about the mental model.
The best way to think about it, Cargo is the master graph manager for your Rust code.
And this graph isn't simple. It has layers for packages, builds, and even optional features.
So the big idea is, your job is to describe what you want. Cargo figures out the how. And the difference is just night and day. We're talking about moving from total chaos to absolute clarity.
And what you get isn't just convenience. It's what we call operational clarity. The Cargo.toml file says what you want. The Cargo.lockfile makes sure it happens the same way every time. Okay, now for a killer feature. Workspaces. This is how Cargo handles huge, multi-package projects.
I love this quote. It perfectly explains how a workspace organizes packages, just like a package organizes files.
Okay, so it's pretty clear developers really love this tool. But why exactly?
It's because everything is in one place. Strong conventions mean less guesswork, and big projects feel sane.
Unlike a bunch of custom scripts, Cargo understands the model of your project, not just a fragile process. And all of this actually points to a much deeper philosophy for building software.
It boils down to this. Describing your project structure is way better than scripting its every move.
And really, you won't find a better example of this philosophy in action than Cargo. So it leaves you with a final question. What if project chaos isn't some random bug, but just a lack of structure?